My name is Chandri Barrett. I'm Executive Director of the Barrett Foundation Creation Nation. And welcome to the 11th Annual Creation Nation Art and Peace Parade. What you see behind me and to the sides of me are the products of Newark children and youth working with local artists, creating magnificent work. So this is the flowering, this is the renaissance of our city coming from within, from the children and what they are capable of creating, which is amazing. We had 15 schools participating in an art competition. Our theme was Strong Women of Newark. And later in the parade, you'll be seeing some of their banners. They did incredible work. And this is also, we're combining with the 7th annual Walk to the Water. This is River Day, and we have a glorious day to celebrate the city, to celebrate the children of the city, and to see what they are capable of creating.
Yes, sir, this is Platinum Funk Squad from the Malcolm X Shabazz High School Band. These are the Marching Bulldogs right here, my guys. Greatest band in the land, baddest drum line in the land, my guys. Snare drummer, tenor drummer, bass drummer, cymbal player, graduated senior. Very proud of him. My man runs track. Very proud of him. He's Mike. You guys want to say anything?
Hi.
Take the mic.
Hi. My name is Daniel. I'm graduating from this band. Sad to leave them. That's about it.
Hi, my name is Sean. I am a junior, and I'm going to come back to the band next year. Big things, big things, big things.
Hello, my name is Matt. I am a freshman. I'm coming back for the band for the next 3 years till I graduate. You already know.
Big things, big things.
Hi, my name is Michael from Avon Junior High School, and I'm going to graduate from the 7th grade.
My name is Makai. I'm going to be here roughly for 3 more years, and I want to wish everyone luck.
All right, so go for it.
My
name is Mike,
This is your host,
kid that plays
Alexander.
drums, trying to keep other kids out of
Big
trouble,
Boss
man.
TV. And as you know, we love to go around in Newark to just interview.
So we are
entrepreneurs,
here
everybody that's
at
doing their due diligence
the
in city.
annual
And of
Creation
course,
Nation
I got the
Parade
number one person
with
that is
none
doing
other
their
than
due
Chancellor
diligence.
Avenue School. Let's hear for Chancellor Avenue School. Yes, we want to take this opportunity on behalf of the entire Board of Education and all of our schools to thank the Barrett Foundation for their incredible involvement in the arts community in our great city, to the Newark Arts Council, as well as all of the principals, teachers, and our students who are here celebrating today this incredible occasion, bringing about peace in the world by starting here in the great city of Newark. Thank you.
The artwork took like a month to finish up. We had to cut it, and then when it wasn't the right measure, we had to cut it, and then it took a lot of hard work and effort. We had to go out to school to keep painting. We had to fix our mistakes, make sure we didn't make no mistakes. If we did, we had to make sure it looked like it was part of the art.
This is a nice opportunity to enjoy Newark. Saturday afternoon.
On a beautiful Saturday afternoon. And another thing that you mentioned, emerging arts and peace.
Hi, I'm Liana Walker. I'm your 2017-2018 Malcolm X Shabazz graduate of the dance line. I'm performing with my band, Malcolm X Shabazz High School.
Good morning. My name is Louis Aviles, and I'm the art teacher at Chancellor Elementary School. And I had the greatest opportunity to work with my students for the second year at this school. And they have been a pivotal, more important part of the creative process. Wayne, Shalia, Calzada, and Denasia had worked tirelessly on project painting after school, during school, and even in their dreams, because I tell them, think about the Falcons, let's get it done. And they came through for not only themselves, but the school. So I just want to thank everyone for giving us the opportunity to be part of this parade.
But also have the opportunity to bring people together, like I said, raise the level of economy in the country, the city.
Absolutely, it's such an important outlet. So one last question, because I know there's a lot of development going on here. As you can see, I'm everywhere. You're everywhere. So what other developments are going on right now that you're excited about?
Buildings, parks. ask you a favor? Yeah. So we were taping the interview with this camera, but the battery ran out like halfway. So is there any way that we can actually?
No, hell no. I got my card.
Yeah. I mean, just so
if I could get your email or something, so I can make sure. And what happened with you? Your battery ran out? Yeah. We had battery issues today. Oh, really? Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Keep switching back.
Yeah, we had
one of our chargers, like, seriously just what's your name? Spencer. Okay. Can I get you, like, what's the best? Is a phone number I can? And what's your name? Lincoln. Who are you with? Are you, like, North TV? North TV. Oh, so, yeah, we're doing some stuff sort of with our community. Cable access.
How you doing? So he mentioned
This is where I did your interview.
Right.
I told you, see, this is what I do.
As soon as I saw you walking around, I said, camera on.
This is what I do.
Follow you right there.
Oh, fantastic. So you have that.
You're awesome too. Yeah, I got it on. Phone is.
I love your outfit. I'm a miracle.
excited to have you guys here. We have a brand new section of the park that we're celebrating today. It's down in our welcome wall area, which is to the right. Over there we have, as Miss Lauren Craig said, we have a ton of activities for children, fitness, the Animodules are there, so make sure you take your selfie so you can compete for the cash prize. And of course, we have all the artwork that the children have made, so please check that out, free face painting. Everything that we do here in the park is free. It's free and it's open to the public, and that happens because we raise money. So thank you all for being a part of this, because having people in this park is what helps us to raise the money. So thank you all for being here. Newark is looking extremely beautiful today, isn't it, everybody? Yay! All right. So today is all about celebrating this beautiful park. This is the result of a lot of hard work on behalf of the community, the city, the county of Essex. And of course, we're going to tell you all about that today. We have our Passaic River here. You'll hear about that as well. And just take your time to go throughout the entire park. We have a fitness zone that's down on Oxford Street and Raymond Boulevard. We have our chess tables on Providence and Raymond. Of course, we have everything here in the Orange Boardwalk area. All of our performances will be here. And as I mentioned, the kids zone down on the other side. So please, everybody, explore the park. This is your park. What we want people to know about this park, this is not an East Ward park. This is a Newark park. So this park belongs to you. This is our urban oasis in the city. So please make sure that you take full advantage of it. So we have a great day, but without further ado, we're going to welcome some of our other speakers to kick off the day. I want to introduce to you somebody who has been extremely instrumental in getting this park built, especially these sections that we currently have. And he's going to tell you a little bit about building this park. So please, everybody, put your hands together for Scott Dvorak from Trust for Public Lands.
Thank you, Marcy. Thank you, Marcy. It's a great pleasure for me to be here. It's something that I've been working on with the Trust for Public Land for 9 years. This is a labor of love. And many people have been working on this with me, of course, all during the time and for many, many years before that. So I do want to thank the mayor and the city of Newark for their support and their partnership and their vision for continuing to support this project and for having a vision to continue on. There's much more Riverfront Park to come. This is just the beginning, believe it or not. We have 20 acres of green space now on the riverfront. But there are acres and acres to come, continuing the Riverfront Park all the way up through downtown into the north part of Newark. So that's a great thing coming up. I also want to thank the Ironbound Community Corporation and many people that work there for their long support. They've advocated for parkland in this space for decades, starting with Sister Carol Johnston many, many years ago, who took the burden on herself personally to advocate for parks here. And we're happy to continue that work and continue to partner with them in advocating for more parks. Also, the Friends of Riverfront Park. They are the eyes and ears of this park. They're an organization that runs on volunteers, so I encourage all of you to think about joining and participating with them. What goes on in this park can't happen without their support. And then, as you heard from Marcy already, and Newark Riverfront Revival, they really bring the park to life. That is we do the construction, we do design, we do all the stuff the nuts and bolts of park building, but what Marcy does and what Newark Riverfront Revival does is really bring the park to life. Also, all of this wouldn't be possible without the financial support of New Jersey DEP and the Green Acres program and a Passaic River grant that we received. So we help manage all those grants and funnel them into the construction of this beautiful space. In addition, as Marcy's mentioned, as it already has come up, one of the great things we're celebrating, we just opened 4 more acres to this park in December, so now we have 20 acres on the riverfront, but that 4 acres includes the Horizon Foundation Wellness Trail that runs from the Horizon building, which is just down the first tall building there along the river, runs all the way through the county park. It's a mile long, so you see markers throughout the park that mark where that is. And then in addition to that, the Healthcare Foundation of New Jersey Fitness Zone. So all of these things are just continuing to add to the fantastic features in the site. We dedicate all of this to you, many of you who were participating with us from the beginning and helping to design this. It's been designed by the community, it's been built for the community, and it will be continued to be a great place because of the community. And so we're really thankful to all of you to let us join you in making that happen. And that is it for me, and I see a guest has arrived that we'd like to have come up and speak next.
Opened up another phase of the park. We have a couple of more to do. We're going to go all the way down just so you'll know what it looks like in material sense. It's going to go all the way down by Bears Stadium. We're going to continue to expand it, and we're getting more money to do even past by Clay Street. So we're going to expand it as far as we possibly can. It's important for us to make sure that Newarkers have an opportunity to come back to the river. We've been doing that and working on that as long as we possibly can. And it's beautiful out here, right? It's beautiful out here. Hi, Chandri, how are you? Just want to thank, again, and the women of Newark and all of the, obviously you can't, none of this happens without Marcy, right? None of this happens. She works day in and day out to make sure the park stays beautiful, that it's clean, that it's used, that we have programming for it, and all the other, folks from Nancy Zach to Aisha Glover to all of the folks in the community who work every day to make sure that this park is used, that it stays beautiful, and that we continue to focus on building open space for the residents of this community. I just want to thank you. I know you have an awesome day planned today. I want to thank everybody for coming out and enjoying Newark. People think they should go someplace else on a Saturday and have fun. You can have fun in your own backyard here in the city of Newark. Have fun in your own community. Fellowship with your own neighbors in a beautiful place like the Riverfront Park. This makes me proud to be and see all of you in this neighborhood and the diversity of this at the same time. So thank all of y'all for participating. God bless you. Have a great, beautiful day.
It's a pleasure to be here. You already heard a lot of thank yous. And there's a thank you I would like to make to Newark's own Ambassador, Lauren Craig, for being a part of this, Marcy DePena, Newark Riverfront Revival, and to you, our residents of Newark. Yes, we have many donors who made this park possible, but I want you to know you are the taxpayers who made this park possible as well. The City of Newark, the County of Essex. Yes, Marcy, this is the People's Park, so thank you for being there. Newark is a city of parks, it's a city of the arts, and we love all the arts that all are around us. The Malcolm X Shabazz Band standing here behind us. Yes! Yes! The wonderful animados made possible through partnerships that the Barat Foundation has done. Thank you so much for creating this long-term going Newark Creation Parade. I just want to say, peace out to all of you. Let's keep marching for peace, marching for the arts, and marching for our river. Go Newark Arts!
Thank you, Jeremy. And now I would like to welcome Ms. Nancy Zach.
Good afternoon, everybody. It's so terrific to have us celebrating peace at the same time we're celebrating the river, isn't it? So many decades, so many generations of kids grew up in Newark and in Ironbound, didn't even know there was a river here in our city, didn't know there was a river in our neighborhood. Well, now we have it, and we want to keep it. We want to take care of it, and we want you to be part of that. So we have Friends of Riverfront Park. Every month we meet. Volunteers are welcome, of all ages, of all sizes, polka dot, pink, we don't care. Come on down to those meetings, which you can see on the Riverfront Park website. Also have to mention that we are having our rubber ducky race again in the river this year. And for a $5 donation, you could win. If your ducky comes in first, you could win $200 worth of groceries from ShopRite. So the Spark table is over there. Spark is the community group that worked to save the old park across the street. That park is 111 years old, designed by the Olmsted brothers. And because of that fight, We also got the energy and the political will to get our Riverfront Park going. We have more info about this park at our Spark table on the right. Come and visit us and enjoy this wonderful day.
Thank you, Nancy. You can find out more about Friends of the Riverfront at newarkriverfront.org. And I would like to now welcome the First Lady of the Barrett Foundation, Ms. Chandri Barrett.
Wow, thank you. So, Mr. Mayor, it is so beautiful here that I can't tell if we're in Paris on the Seine River or if we're in Newark on the Passaic. It's really, really fabulous. I also want to point out all of the beauty that's around us, all of the artwork, which is all created by Newark artists working with Newark children and youth and senior citizens. And just to take a moment and understand and appreciate the potential of our kids. I mean, look around and see what they've done. It's really, really inspiring, amazing. Every year it amazes me more. We have a selfie contest today with a $100 prize, a $50 prize, and a $25 prize. Yay. If you want to take a selfie with an Animodule, and they're from here down to the new welcome wall, and tell us why this Animodule speaks to you. And all you have to do is hashtag Animodules, or you can email it to us at info@barrettfoundation.org. I just want to say one more thing, that we're in Newark now for about 20 years. And since we came, we've been hearing about this renaissance that's happening. And we can really say now that it is happening. And the amazing thing is that in Newark, this renaissance is happening from within and not being imposed from without. And that's our goal, is to really have the voice of the children of this city seen in the public landscape. That's what you're looking at. And Newark is not the next Brooklyn. Newark is the first Newark. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much. All right, who is ready for a full day of music, fun, and these river views? This is amazing, right? I'm ready. Okay, without further ado, we're going to have our performance by our Shabazz High School Marching Band.